that's a body right there. They found a body floating.
What's up, people? Good morning, good morning. Kofi and the crew is at it again, guys. We're out here in Queens, New York, and we're going on a fishing boat called Never Enough Fishing. How you guys doing? Good morning. I'm great. All right, guys. So we're on the beautiful blue skies. Look at it. Look at it. We're gonna take you with us on this lovely fishing adventure, guys. So guess what? Yes, we're coming up. We're coming up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good. I'm good. You all doing? Yes. So stay tuned. Kofi Korna, hit that subscription button, like, share, leave a comment, guys. If it's your first time to this channel, hit that notification bell so like these are uploaded, you can be notified. So that the captain is ready to go. Alright, so right now, guys, we're ready to go. We have our coolers. We're just gonna situate them all around the area. I'm gonna put this underneath here. Yep, it fits there pretty neatly. So I say,
Ready to go.
Ready to go, ready to go. What you doing, boss? Can't get enough fishing, man. Never enough fish coming through. This is what the boat looks like, guys.
There we go.
They work hard, right? Kiss them out of the way. You'll kill, right? Everybody say, oh,
He gets the name pretty good.
come back and watch your channel.
Okay. Usually this area in New York doesn't have a lot of bluefish.
A lot of bluefish.
But in the last couple of years, they're coming back.
Clean water.
Oh, because the water is clean.
Any fish is coming.
The water quality is better now.
It's
Okay.
very important.
So guys, you see that? It's really important for us to take care of the environment. Clean water, more fish. So what's up, man? So you said we were using what? Clam for bait today?
Clam, and then you can purchase worms upstairs.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna get 2 dozen worms.
Alright.
New York myself, big up on yourself. You don't know?
Subscribe
Alright,
to him, yeah.
Okay. Remember to check out the channel, okay? It's going like this. 6
over the anchor, over the bow,
Woo! All the way, or it was just like a part of the way?
all the way.
Man.
2 hours out. At first, we didn't know it was gonna be that bad.
It was raining, bro. It was bad that there was 2 guys upstairs. They were cousins. They was calling their mom like, I don't know if I'll make it back. Mom, I love you. Yeah.
So we have like 2-foot waves, and you know you could see the effect in the boat right now. Look at that. We're going through turbulence right now. Water pocket. Bridge, you hear the door, man? Yo, this thing I get rough. Yeah. Look at this. It's pretty bumpy now, guys. Yeah. So we're going like 1 hour out. Look at this. Look at this. Pretty noisy here with the engine room. How you guys doing?
Good. Ready to catch him up.
Oh my God, tell me I got it. Yeah. Alrighty, so that's the bait we're gonna use today. What kind of bait is this? Squid? Clam? Wow, those are some huge clams. So what kind of fish can we use these to catch?
Porgies, that's what we're going to be catching.
Porgies? Okay, cool.
And then the captain also has worms that he sells for $10 a dozen.
$10 a dozen? Alright. Those are some big worms. I'm hoping. No, guys. And in this direction, I see the planes. They're taking off from the LaGuardia airport. So right now I'm heading upstairs to go pay the bills, guys. We gotta pay the bills. Oh crap, look at it. Whoa, that's a body right there. They found a body floating in the harbor or in the bay. That's so sad. Oh my goodness. Whoa, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Wow. So they found a body floating. Wow. Out. Yeah. You can see everybody downstairs. Well, go on, big man. Everything good? All right, boss. Look at this. Look at this. Planes taking off from the airport. Look at that. Just beautiful. So which one is that? You say it's the throttle?
These two sticks right here.
Oh, okay.
Forward, reverse,
Oh,
and throttle.
as it says right there. Cool. All right, so next to that, what do we have there? Is that the depth?
We got a radio, depth sounder, GPS, another GPS, a radar.
So the depth sounder tells us how deep the ocean is where we're at, right?
Correct.
And this one is what?
That's your position, your GPS.
Oh, GPS. And then this one with all these.
This is just the engine instruments, the gauges and stuff.
Okay. And this one here.
Another GPS.
Another GPS. So it's like a backup GPS in the event one goes down?
Yes.
Okay. So how fast are we going right now?
We're doing almost 11 knots.
And that's right there, 10.9. So the direction according to the compass, we're heading, let me guess, north. Dead north?
Little northeast.
Okay, a little northeast. Okay, there it is, guys. Guys, we just reached our fishing location, which is what? They call it Oyster Bay. That's where we're at right now. Hit that subscription button, like, share, leave a comment if this is your first time to the channel. Okay, first time in my corner, aka Kofi Korna. You know what to do. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. And that's a 2-in-1. Wow, you're on fire, buddy. That's a nice sea bass. Look at it, man. Tell me about it. Look at this. Wow. It's a tank. So how you get it hooked? It holds its mouth? Okay. You call this one big mouth sea bass? Okay. Big mouth sea bass. Like it holds like. There you go. Damn. I like the color. Whoa, that's a nice 12-inch. That's what it's looking like, man. It says fish on. Fish on. What? Top Chalani. How y'all going to? Send me and Top Chalani. I'm going to see him time. This way I come up there with no big man. Look there. Walk it down. You lose it? Oh, nah. Alright, know yourself. Next one up. Alright, so we still have fish with the American worm, right? Oh, no, man. Something up on it, man. Something up on it. See it there? See the people? But the one here, we can't keep the one here. Less than 10.5 inches, so we have to return it. So. Bucket of fish. That's a big one on. Big one there, guys. Come in. Wheel it up, don't lose it. What is it? You feel big? Good size. Woo, that's it for the day. That's it. Where's the Howie? Yeah, hold it up there for me.
You're not.
Eh?
So you guys putting together a bucket now.
Yes, a nice bucket. You want some worm then, Nick? Nick, we need some worm.
Okay, just salad. You guys ran out already?
Yeah.
How many you want?
Just get one for now to start with. No fishing I go on. I'll toss the reel out now. Here we go. Yeah. Look at it. Oyster bait. Yep. Look at this. Two up on this, you know.
Corky up.
Two up on this, corky up. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Yeah. You done know. That's the reason why we came here. Alright.
Yo, bring up that line.
Whoa. Catfish. Which one is this? Whoa, I've never heard that one before. It's beautiful. Look at the fins. Look at it opens. Wow, how do you hold it? Behind the... There. Yeah. Hasta la vista. Yeah, it's a 2-in-1 there. Porgy on the board. There we go. Nice catch, man. Yeah. Still using worm. I'm gonna start calling you guys the worm crew, you know. Worm again. Oh my goodness. Come on, load it up. Yeah. Good. Guys, fish all over. Fish and more fish. Man. So right now they're scaling our fish. That's our pile that we caught today, guys. I need to get me one of that and keep it at home, man. That's really quick. Look at that, guys. So what's the secret? Wow. What's the secret to gutting, scaling, getting it done in less than 1 minute?
Big booty hose.
What's that?
You gotta learn. That's it.
And you got it just under the gill and then down the belly?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see it. Oh, that's a lot of egg in that one.
Yeah.
So through the gills, pop it down the belly, guys, and look at that. And your fish is de-gilled and gutted. There we have the plane landing at LaGuardia's airport. Look at that. Touchdown. And in the background it's Manhattan. Tell me about it. So beautiful. Look at the skyline, guys. Man. There we go, guys. Until next time. See you in the next video. Kofi Korna signing off.